Well, you're an
I'm not being an
Yeah, you're a asshole.
Nope, not yet.
You.
Okay.
Calling a cop an after nearly causing a head-on collision. Why? What drove this man to create total chaos and then treat the officers like the enemy? Something is hiding behind that wheel, and it is about to get real.
10 Flagler, I'm with him. He is turning into the hospital. 23.
Dispatch has been...
14 Flagler, can you show me out with L 25, please? 10.
Alpha 224 Flagler.
Alpha 224.
Vehicle's still rolling. Can you go ahead and give us 1033 till further?
Flagler units, 1033 traffic on primary. All other units switch to teletype.
Stop the vehicle, pull over, do it now.
110, he's not fleeing, but he's not stopping. Is there anybody else in the dump there?
Dispatch has been updated.
224, we got the vehicle stopped.
Denver, still at the hospital?
What are you doing? What? We've had our lights and sirens on since I-95, and you've taken this long to pull over. Any reason? Huh? Okay. You're driving all over the road too. You're not maintaining your lane. You almost blew through that red light. Are you having any kind of a medical emergency?
No.
What's that?
No.
Okay. Can you make a favor, shut the vehicle off? Shut your vehicle off for me. Shut your vehicle off. Turn the car off. It is a very simple thing I'm asking you to do.
The engine is still live, and this guy is in a total fog. That is a lethal mix. In a crowded hospital zone, one accidental tap on the gas turns that Mercedes into a missile. The officer is not taking any chances. He needs those keys before this situation goes sideways.
Let me see your keys. Hand me your keys.
No.
Hand me your keys.
No.
Okay, step out of the vehicle for me. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle for me.
Come on out, bud. You okay? I'm still doctored in the office because I haven't.
You can. Come on.
You alright?
No.
What's going on?
Take a good look at the way he is fumbling just to stand up. It is terrifying to think he made it this far on the interstate in this condition without causing a massive wreck. Thank God the deputies intercepted him when they did. Every second he was behind that wheel was a deadly roll of the dice with other people's lives.
What's up?
What?
What's going on?
I don't know.
Well, I asked you if you were alright and you said no.
Correct.
So what's going on? Why aren't you okay? Why aren't you okay? What's going on?
Alright. So what's going on with you, Mike? 'Cause you're driving all over the road, okay? You ran off the road a couple times, alright? You about, well, no, it's not fine. That's why you're being stopped. And then we had our lights and sirens on behind you. You weren't stopping for us. So like, what's going on?
I don't know what you said when you say things are not of.
Well, we got an ambulance coming to check on you, man. But
426
Well, you're an
I'm not being an ass.
Hey, you're a asshole.
Nope, not yet.
You.
Okay. Well,
You, man. You're an
on your back.
Yeah.
All right.
Fine.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
yeah, I just
Yep. Absolutely.
took him showing his.
You.
I'm Mike, you're under arrest for driving under the influence.
Great. You're an
I know I'm
It's Sunday.
After an incident that nearly ended in a disaster, Michael Alfonso had to face the reality of his choices. This was a fourth-degree habitual offense, and because he was so intoxicated, deputies had to wheelchair him into the emergency room for a medical clearance before he could be processed. He faces multiple serious charges with a bond set at $26,000 for felony DUI and failing to obey law enforcement. But the real story here is the tragedy that was only seconds away. One wrong turn on that road could have destroyed an innocent family forever. Every time an offender like this gets behind the wheel, it is a reckless gamble with other people's lives. It makes us think about the weight of these actions and the responsibility we all share for the safety of our streets. We want to hear from you. In your opinion, what kind of sentence should he receive? And what measures are needed to ensure we never see another drunk driver on the road again? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. If you value this kind of raw transparency and deep dive analysis, please consider subscribing to Blue Line Raw and hitting that notification bell. Your support helps us continue to bring these important stories to light. Stay safe out there.